Welcome back, guys. It's Mitchell with Minicar Builds. So, we are tearing into the old mini bike here. I got some new parts. I got a brand new clutch and got a brand new brake. You know, go power sports, whatever. Got me a new seat. That's gonna be super good. But got a little issue here. So, took the old wheel apart. This brake is trashed. This is whatever's left over of the old bearing. This was inside the axle here. That fell out. That's super good. The old bolt, still good. I got a new bolt right here. Bam. Waiting on some more parts. I got some new bearings coming tomorrow, and this tire's junk. Gonna put the brakes on. Hopefully this weekend be ripping. All right, welcome back. We are back out here today to continue this weekend. Just got my O&B warehouse there. Got some bearings for this wheel here, but today we're gonna be putting this wheel back on, getting chain back on, fired up. Hopefully it runs, you know, Gucci. We're gonna mount the seat, the brake, probably a sticker. Let's do it. Got here. So I got the new rear axle. Got my new bearings from O&B warehouse. It'll ride. It'll ride. Where's that other axle? One hand, it's great. Love videos by myself. It'll work. Let's do it. First ride, gear's a little tall. That's a brand new clutch, got a little warm. Oh yeah. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So anyways, to continue, it is another day. It's been a couple different days. But anyways, the picture you just saw has no engine on the mini bike. I did some things. I've done some things. It's been a couple weeks. So what I did was I sold 2 Predator engines, a 10-horse Briggs engine I had, and some other stuff, made some extra money. And I have come to the conclusion that I'm doing something else. Are you ready? Dun, dun, dun. 3-horse China diesel. Can't wait. Just got it in the mail, just opened it up. Oh yeah, even comes with a nice fuel filter. This is going on the Minibaja. Right there, babe. Can't wait. Stay tuned.